Want to know more about how you can help to keep Western Australia's workplaces healthy and safe? Perhaps you're looking for a resource to use in health and safety or toolbox meetings. Welcome to the video series showcasing some resources developed by the Department covering Western Australia's work health and safety laws. This video will guide you through publications and animations that explain how the Work Health and Safety Act applies to volunteer organisations that may pay someone to carry out work on their behalf. Let's get started by going to demers.wa.gov.au/WorkSafe. Click on Health and Safety Topics. Click on the tile Health and Safety Topics. Scroll down to Volunteers. Click on Volunteer Organisations. Here you'll find information regarding volunteer organisations' duty of care under the Work Health and Safety laws. Who is considered to be a volunteer? What activities are covered by the Work Health and Safety laws? What are the organisation's work health and safety duties? How should organisations manage safety for its workers and volunteers? Who is an officer and what are their duties? What are volunteers' duties? Who has duties if numerous volunteers attend an incident? Scroll to the bottom of the page to find further information relevant to volunteer organisations, such as an information sheet for volunteer organisations, translations of the information sheet into other languages, Work Health and Safety for Volunteer Organisations Guide, a checklist to help organisations comply with work health and safety laws if they are a PCBU, and publications and resources for those who have work health and safety roles and responsibilities. Looking for a resource to use at your health and safety meeting? This snippet is from an animation on work health and safety legislation and how it applies to volunteers. This animation and others on related topics, such as Introduction to the Work Health and Safety Act 2020, What is a PCBU, can be found by clicking the link to WHS Animations under Further Readings on Volunteers page. To stay up to date, we encourage you to subscribe to news alerts, follow us on social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Work health and safety is everybody's business. We all have a role to play in keeping our workplaces healthy and safe.